Looking for earbuds that pack power, comfort, and style without burning your wallet? Today, we're diving into not one, not two, but three epic contenders from Baseus, each targeting different listening lifestyles. From open-ear freedom to adaptive ANC, this lineup might just have your next favorite pair. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing MC1 Pro. Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro earbuds. User manual, Type-C cable, charging case, unboxing. Baseus BC1 earbuds. Charging case, Type-C charging cable, user manual, unboxing, BP1 Pro. Baseus BP1 Pro earbuds. User manual, Type-C cable, 5 sets of ear tips. Charging case. Let's test what they're made of. Baseus Bowie MC1 Pro. Open ear royalty. Moving up the ladder, meet the MC1 Pro, an elevated sibling of the BC1 and MC1. For $89.99. This one blends audiophile-grade fidelity with all-day ergonomic brilliance. What's new versus MC1? High-res certified plus LDAC codec. 3-layer PU plus LCP diaphragm with 3 magnet drivers. Super Bass 2.0, deeper bass, better control. Cloud Soft Cushion Pro plus 20% more curve fit cushioning. Bluetooth 6.0 with dual device connection. IP67 rated. Still offers 9-hour playback and 40-hour total with case. 2-mic DNN adaptive ENC with AI call optimization. This is for the pros, commuters, runners, even casual audiophiles. It's studio-level sound with breathable clip-on comfort. Recommended by Grammy and Emmy winners. Baseus BC1. Budget beast with bold bass. The Baseus BC1 is the ultimate open-ear pick for those on a tight budget. At just $39.99, it's a featherweight champ with open ring comfort and a snug tri-curve clip design. 12mm dynamic drivers with super bass. Only 5.3 grams per bud. Open ear design for breathability. 7.5 hours playtime, up to 38 hours with case. 15-minute charge equals 2-hour playback. IP55 water resistant, gym or light rain approved. 4-mic AI ENC for clear calls. Bluetooth 6.0, multipoint, and app support. It's like Bose Ultra Open Buds. On a budget. Perfect for commuters, walkers, and anyone who wants situational awareness with sound. Baseus BP1 Pro, Smart Noise Assassin. Next, if ANC is what you're chasing, meet the Baseus BP1 Pro. This $39.99 beast brings adaptive everything to the sub-$50 game. Noise-canceling supremacy. -50 decibels. Adaptive ANC. 4 kHz wideband noise recognition with 4 real-time sensors. 6-mic AI ENC for calls. Volume adaptive EQ via the Baseus app. High-res plus LDAC for stunning audio clarity. 7 EQ modes plus spatial audio plus 0.05, 8 seconds low latency. 12 hours per charge. 55H total playback. IP55 dust and water resistance. This is your go-to for flights, daily commutes, remote work, anywhere noise tries to win. BP1 Pro fights back with intelligent noise control and brilliant sound. Which one is for you? So let's break it down quickly. BC1. Best for outdoor lovers on a budget. Lightweight open ear plus comfy clip, plus $39.99. MC1 Pro best for audiophile comfort. High-res sound, plus soft curve fit. Clip Plus for $89.99. BP1 Pro best for noise-canceling lovers. Adaptive ANC plus LDAC plus $39.99 your pick. Baseus delivers clean sound, smart tech, and real value. Let us know in the comments. Which one would you clip in, pop in, or tune in with? So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.